and every one. In today's class, we will discuss permutation and combination, session number 9. Permutations and combinations, session number 9. Permutation and combinations, session number 9. In session number 9 and session number 10, we will do a lot of practice problems. We will do a lot of practice problems where every possible model that came in the examination, we will try to solve it slowly, steadily by understanding the concept of each and every problem, right? So these are the practice sessions. Session number 9, session number 10, maybe session number 11 is also a practice session. In these practice sessions, variety of problems, different flavors of problems we will solve based on permutation and combinations, right? Permutations and combinations. But before that, few important key points which you should know. Few important key points. First key point, whenever there is a word arrangement, whenever there is a word arrangement, use permutations. Use permutations. Use permutations. Permutations is nothing but arrangement. NPR is given by n factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial. Suppose there are 3 places are there. So there are 7 people are there. There are 7 people and there are 3 chairs are there. There are 3 chairs are there. In how many ways can 7 people can sit in 3 chairs? First person can sit in first chair, can on first chair, either the first person, second person, third person. 7 persons, anybody can sit. Any one out of the 7 can sit. Second one, any one out of the 7 can sit. Any one out of the 6 can sit. Third one, any one out of the 5 can sit. So it is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5, which is nothing but out of 7 people, I will arrange 3 people onto 3 chairs. 7p3 is nothing but 7 factorial by 4 factorial, which is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Divided by 4 factorial. So, NPR is given by n factorial by n minus r factorial. There is no condition on any of these arrangements. There are 7 people, there are 3 chairs. So, first person, right, first in the first chair, 1 out of the 7 people can sit. In the second chair, because the first person already sat, second chair, 1 out of the 6 persons, third chair, 1 out of the 5 persons. 7 into 6 into 5. 7 into 6 into 5. Arrangement, it is nothing but permutation. Arrangement, it is nothing but permutations. And second one is selections. Whenever there is a word selection, I will use combinations. I will use combinations. I will use combinations. Combinations are nothing but out of n objects, I need to select r objects. So it is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial into r factorial. Whenever the word selection is there, I will use combinations. I will use combinations. Suppose out of 7 people, based on the marks, I am selecting 3 people. Out of 7 people, I am selecting 3 people. Out of 7, selecting any 3, which is nothing but 7C3. NCR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. These is nothing but 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial, which is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on up to 1. That is the definition of a factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1. So, 7C3 it is nothing but 7C3. Start from 7. Write down 3 consecutive numbers starting from 7. Then 7C3. Start from 1. Write down 3 consecutive increasing order. 1 into 2 into 3. This is an extremely important notation, sir. 8C4. If I want 8C4, start from 8, write 4 consecutive in a decreasing order. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by, start from 1, write 4 in an increasing order. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This is how NCR it is represented. Selection it is combinations, arrangement it is permutations. Arranging it is nothing but permutation. Arranging it is nothing but permutation. I hope it is clear, right? Right, is selection and another important key points. NC0, out of n objects, not selecting any, there will be only one way. Out of n objects, selecting all, there will be again one way. Out of n, if I am selecting R, I am rejecting remaining on n minus R. Suppose out of 7 people, I am selecting 2 people. If I am selecting 2 people, that means I am rejecting remaining 5 people. Selecting 2 is also nothing but rejecting 5. Selecting 2, it is also nothing but rejecting 5. So, selecting R, it is also nothing but rejecting n minus R. NC0 is equivalent to 1. NCN is equivalent to 1. Out of n objects, not selecting any. Out of n not selecting any, it is nothing but 1. Out of n selecting all, it is nothing but 1. So, these both are same because NCR equivalent to NCN minus R. NC0 equivalent to NCN minus 0. NCR equivalent to NCN minus R. NCN minus R. NC2 is nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2. NC2 it is nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2. Very, very important key points whenever we are solving problems. The key points what we are discussing right now, I am going to use it in the problem solving. Today's session, right, next 3 sessions, all the problems are taken from the various examinations, questions and everything. Some of them, the values remain the same. Some of them, the values are changed. NC2, it is nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2. Let us get into the problems. NCR, it is defined as n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. How to find out the value of 8C4? Start from 8, write 4 consecutive decreasing order. Start with 1, write 4 in an increasing order. These are nothing but 8C4. One by one, we will solve the problems. 1 minute, sir. Right. Another important key points, please write down, sir. Another important key point. This key point helps us in eliminating answer options. Key points. Suppose NCR equivalent to K. K is a multiple of n if n is prime. Please write down. K is a multiple of n if n is prime. K is a multiple of n if n is prime. Let us take few examples. Suppose 5C2 it is there. 5C2 is nothing but start from 5. Write to decrease. Start from 1. Write to increase. These are nothing but 10. 5 is a prime number. 10 is a multiple of 5. 10 is a multiple of 5. Let us take one more. 7C3. It helps us in eliminating answer options. 7C3. Start from 7. Write 3 decreasing. Write again start from 1. Write 3 increase in the serial order. These are nothing but 6 over. 7 5s are 35. Again 7 is a prime number. 35 is a multiple of 7. 35 is a multiple of 7. One more example. 11C2. These are nothing but 11 into 10 divided by 1 into 2. These are nothing but 55. Now, if you observe here, right, 2 1s are 2 5s are. 55 is again a multiple of 11. 55 is again a multiple of 11. Please make a note of these important key point. If n is a prime number, NCR equivalent to k. K is a multiple of n. K is a multiple of n. NCR equivalent to k. Whatever the answer that you got, that will be a multiple of n if n is a prime number. If n is a prime number. Listen carefully to each and every problem. First, we will read the question. Question number 1. Out of 7 consonants, there are 7 consonants and 4 vowels. Okay. There are 4 vowels. How many words? Word is a combination of consonants and vowels, right? Of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed. Here I need a word which is a combination of consonants and vowels. So I need to select 3 consonants and I need to select 2 vowels. This is the first condition. Out of 7, I need to select 3. 7C3. This is an and is one after the other. Into out of 4 vowels, I need to select 2. 7C3 and 4C2. But the question is not over. I need to form a words. Word is a combination of 3 consonants and 2 vowels. So these 3 consonants and 2 vowels, total 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial. 7C3, listen carefully, 7C3, this is, 7 is a prime number. Answer should be divisible by 7. This is not divisible by 7. This is not divisible by 7. This is not divisible by 7. So 7C3, it is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5. Write 3 in the decreasing order, divided by 1 into 2 into 3. 4C2, it is 4 into 3, divided by 1 into 2. Into 5 factorial is 120. 6 and 6 it is cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 7 fives are 35. 35 into 6 into 120. So this is nothing but 210 into 120. Answer is greater than 210. So it is eliminated. 25200. 25200. All the consonant values are different. Vowel values are different. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels are there. Remaining 21 consonants are there. All these consonant values are different. All these vowel values are different. 5 different letters are there. 5 different letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Out of 7 consonants, select any 3. Out of 4 vowels, select any 2. Because it is AND condition, 7C3 into 4C2. Whatever we got a 3 consonants and 2 vowels. These 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial. Again, I am explaining you what I did. 7C3. 7 is a prime number. Answer should be divisible by 7. 24400, not divisible by 7. 21300, not divisible by 7. Just by looking at the question itself, option number B and C are eliminated. Now we are in A and D. A and D. Here itself you can say that 210 is wrong. Why? Because 5 factorial is 120. 4C2 is 6. 120 into 6 is 720. The value is exceeding 210. So option number D is eliminated. First question, I hope the idea it is clear. Second question. In a group of 6 boys and 4 girls. Okay. In a group of 6 boys and 4 girls. 4 children are to be selected. I need to select 4. How many different ways can they be selected such that at least 1 boy should be there? At least 1 boy should be there. That means minimum 1 boy should be there. Totally how many children I have to select? Totally 4 children I have to select. 4 children I have to select, out of which minimum 1 boy should be there. That means 1 boy and 3 girls, 2 boys and 2 girls. Are you all with me? 3 boys and 1 girl and 4 boys. Minimum 1 boy. Minimum 1 boy means it could be greater than or equivalent to 1 boy. Minimum 1 boy. So total I require for 1 boys, that means remaining 3 girls. 2 boys and 2 girls, 3 boys and 1 girl, and 4. So these is nothing but or condition. Either this or this or this or this. So it is out of 6 boys select any one, into out of 4 girls select any 3. Or condition is plus. Out of 6 boys select any 2. 4 out of 4 girls select any 2. 4C2. R is nothing but plus. Out of 6 boys select any 3. Out of 4 girls select any 1 girl. 4C1. Out of 6 boys select any 4. It is nothing but 6C4. These is nothing but 6C4. Now one by one, what we'll do is we will go by the, see if we can eliminate any answer options. 4C3. Out of 4 selecting 3 is nothing but rejecting 4. These 4 into 6. 4 into 6. Out of 4 selecting 1, it is nothing but 4. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. Now if you see here, 6C1, it is divisible by 6C1 is 6. 6 into 4. 6C2. Out of 6 selecting any 2. 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. These is nothing but 15. 15 into 6. This is the traditional method. Next it is nothing but 6C3. 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 6 cancel. These is nothing but 20 into 4. 6C4, out of 6 selecting 4, that is nothing but rejecting 2. 6C2, 6C2 is nothing but 15. So these is nothing but 24 plus 90 plus 80 plus 15. 80 plus 15. 170, 170, 185, 209. Answer for this question is 209. Answer for this question is nothing but 209. Now listen carefully. How am I solving this question? Right, by using answer options. By using answer options. 6C1, this is divisible by 3. This is also divisible by 3. This is also divisible by 3. These 4 when divided by 3, remainder 1. 6C3, 6C3, it is nothing but 20. 3 6 are 18, remainder 2. That means answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 2. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 2. These is not possible. These is not possible. Right? I hope it is clear, right? So we are stuck with 212 and 209. Anyway, 212 is eliminated. Why? Because this is an even number. 6C2, 6C2, 4C2, it is an even number. Again 4C1, it is an even number. 6C4, it is an odd number. Even plus even plus even plus odd. I should get an answer odd number. 212 is eliminated. For complex problems, this method is extremely important. Instead of 4 children, if it is 10 boys and 6 girls selecting 5, this method is extremely important. Again, I am telling you, sir, why 212 is eliminated? 4C3 is 4. 4C2, 4 is even number. Even into any number, even. Even into any number, even. Even into any number, even. 6C4 is 15, which is odd. Even plus odd. Answer should be an odd number. 212 is eliminated. 6C1 is divisible by 3. 6C2 is divisible by 3. 6C4 is 6C2 divisible by 3. 6C3 is 20. 24s are 80. 326 are 78, remainder 2. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 2. 159, it is perfectly divisible by 3. 201, it is perfectly divisible. Answer is nothing but 209. Perspectives of solving the problem. Instead of till here, whatever you solve, right, then go by the answer options. Answer for this question is 209. I hope the idea it is clear. One more. The more and more you solve Anil Nair's way of approaches, your time saving will be more. In a group of 7 men and 6 women, there is a group of 7 men and 6 women. 5 persons are to be selected. I need to select 5. To form a committee such that at least 3 men are there in the committee. Minimum 3 men should be there. Minimum 3 men should be there. If a minimum 3 men it is there, here 3 men. So I can select 2 women. This is the first condition. Minimum 3 men. So it could be 4 women and it is 1 woman. Minimum 3 men. It could be 5 women and it is 0 women. This is nothing but R and it is also nothing but R. Now again see here. This is nothing but 7C3 into 6C2. Why into came? It is an AND condition. R. 7C4 into 6C1 plus 7C5 into 6C0. 7C5 into 6C0. Now see here, sir. Listen carefully. 7C3. 7 is a prime number. Divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. 702 is not divisible by 7. 7 6 24. 7 8s are 56. 64. It is not divisible. 756 it is divisible. 7 11s are 77. Two options are eliminated because of this logic. NCR equivalent to K. K is a multiple of N if N is a prime number. Just by looking at it, we got the answer. 6C2, it is divisible by 3. 6C1, it is divisible by 3. 7C5, out of 7 selecting 5, it is also nothing but rejecting 2. 7 into 6 divided by 2. These is nothing but 21. These is also divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Right? 812. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. It is not divisible by 3. See, without even solving it, I got the answer. Answer for this question is 756. I hope you understood the logic. How am I able to eliminate answer options by using NCR logics? 7C3, 7 is a prime number. It is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. A and B it is out. 6C2 divisible by 3. 6C1 divisible by 3. 7C5 out of 7 selecting 5. It is nothing but rejecting 2. It is also divisible by 3. All are divisible by 3. Only option is nothing but 756. I hope the idea it is clear. Write each and every question. Unique way of looking at the permutation and combination problems. Write question number 4. Every possible variety we will solve it in our class. In how many different ways? These kind of questions are extremely important. In how many different ways can the letters of the word optical, O-P-T-I-C-A-L, in that one, what are all the ovals? Ovals is, O is an oval, okay, P is not an oval, T is not an oval, I is an oval. Next one, C is not an oval, A is an oval. Consonants is nothing but remaining. P is a consonant, T is a consonant, C is a consonant, L is a consonant. How many different ways can the letters of the word optical be arranged such that the vowels always come together? So, coming together, put it in a bag. Put it in a bag. So, this became one object. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 can be arranged in 5 factorial. In that bag, 3 letters are there. 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. These students will do it calculation. 120 into 6 is 720. These is nothing but 720. Now see here. 3 factorial. 3 factorial, it is divisible by 3. Answer, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 9 plus 2, 11. It is not divisible by 3. Next one, 6 plus 1, 7. It is not divisible by 3. Now, 5 factorial, it is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Big numbers, it will be extremely useful. Answer is divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 25 is not divisible by 4. Answer is nothing but 720. I hope it is clear. Suppose if the question is 8 factorial into 7 factorial, or these kind of logics are extremely important. 7 factorial, answer is divisible by 7. 8 factorial, answer is divisible by 8. Play around with the answer option. Don't find out the answer. Because it's a smaller value, here you can do the answer. But the bigger value comes, these eliminating answer options approach will work beautiful for you. I hope the idea is clear. Answer is 720. Next one. In how many ways can the letters of the word corporation? Let us write corporation. C-O-R-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. C-O corporation. Be arranged such that the vowels always come together. Let us first write the vowels. Here we will write the consonants. First, C is a consonant, O is a vowel, R is a consonant, P is a consonant, O is again a vowel, O is again a vowel, R is nothing but a consonant. Okay. R is nothing but a consonant. Next one. A is nothing but vowel. Here it is A. T is nothing but consonant. I is nothing but vowel. O is nothing but vowel. N is nothing but consonant. N is nothing but consonant. Now see here. Such that all the vowels come together. Come together means make it together. Put it in a bag. If I put it in a bag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different are there, and that is considered to be one object. 6 plus 1, it is 7 factorial. 7 factorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is 1, 7 factorial. But R is repeated twice. So it is 7 factorial by 2 factorial. Inside, these 5 numbers can arrange among themselves in 5 factorial. O is repeated how many times? 3 times. So it is 5 factorial by 3 factorial. It is nothing but 5 factorial by 3 factorial. Now see, 7 factorial. This is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. I hope it is clear, right? Here into 5 factorial divided by 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Idea it is clear, right? Corporation. C-O-R-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, it is 6. It is 6 factorial. I made a calculation mistake. This is nothing but a 6 factorial. This is 6 factorial by 2 factorial. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Till here it is clear, right? This is clear. Now see here, listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 it is nothing but 7 factorial. R is repeated twice, so it is 2 factorial. 7 factorial by 2 factorial. These 5 vowels can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial. O is repeated twice, thrice. So O. I hope it is clear. So these is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. These is nothing but 120 into 120 into 7 divided by 2 into 2. These is nothing but 60. These is nothing but 60. So here what you can do is, you don't need to show your calculation things, you go by the digital sum. 60 digital sum is 6. 120 it is 3. It is into 7. Answer is divisible by 7 and digital sum. 6 3s are 18. 18 means answer digital sum is 9. Answer should be divisible by 7 and digital sum 9. These is not possible. These is not possible. These is not possible. Is this 50400 divisible by 7? 7 7s are 14, 9, 20. 14, 7 2s are 14. I hope the idea is clear. Immediately after writing this, answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. 48,000 not divisible by 7. 47,200 not divisible by 7. Then apply the concept of digital sum. Please do not multiply and waste your calculation time. 60 into 120 into 7. 60 digital sum 6, 120 digital sum 3 into 7. 6 into 3 into 7. 6 into 3 is 18. 18 digital sum is nothing but 9. Answer digital sum should be 9 and it should be divisible by 7. I hope the idea it is clear. Next question. In how many ways can a group of 5 men and 2 men would be made out of a total of, there are total 7 men and 3 women. Out of 7 men and 3 women, how many I need to select? I need to select 5 men and 2 women. I need to select 5 men and 3 women. Listen carefully. Out of 7, selecting any 5. And condition into out of 3, selecting any 2. Don't show your calculation here. 7C5. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. So, 2 options are eliminated just like this. 7C5. Out of 7, selecting 5, it is nothing but rejecting 2. Out of 3, selecting 2, it is nothing but rejecting 1. It is nothing but 7 into 6 by 2 into 3. These nothing but 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. Answer is nothing but 63. Just by looking at a question itself, answer is divisible by 7, answer is divisible by 3. 64 is not divisible by 7, 1 is not divisible by 7. These ideas should come into your mind so that you can save a lot of time. So, out of 7, selecting 5, it is nothing but rejecting 2. Out of 3, selecting 2, it is nothing but rejecting 1. NCR, it is nothing but NCN minus R. NCR is nothing but NCN minus R. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. In how many different ways can the letters of the word, some of them are, these are nothing but the previous year exam questions, sir. Mathematics. Mathematics be arranged such that the vowels are always together. Separate vowels and consonants, then play with the answer options. Then play with the answer options. Vowels and consonants. First is M. M is a consonant. A is a vowel. T is a consonant. H is a consonant. E is a vowel. M is again a consonant. A is a vowel. T is nothing but a consonant. I is nothing but a consonant. C is nothing but a consonant. S is nothing but a consonant. In how many different ways can the letters of the word be arranged? What is the condition? Vowels are always coming together. These entire coming together. If it is coming together, put it in a bag. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 bag. It is nothing but 9 factorial. It is nothing but 9 factorial. M is written how many times? 2 times. This can be arranged in 2 factorial. T is written how many times? 2 times. It is divided by 2 factorial. A. 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial. A is duplicated. So, it is 2 factorial. I hope it is clear, right? So, this is nothing but 9 into 8 and so on up to 1. 3 factorial, it is 6. 2 into 2 into 2. So, these is nothing but 8. These is nothing but 8. So, 9 into any number. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. These are not possible, not possible, not possible. So, answer is nothing but 120960. 12096. So, if you see here 9 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 6. It should be divisible by 9. Yes, 7. 7 is nothing but take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. It is 840. It is divisible by 7. It is divisible by 6. It is ending with 0, so it is divisible by 5. All will be satisfied. Answer digital sum should be 9. Please do not waste your time in multiplying all these values. I hope you are understanding how am I eliminating answer options. You should know how to eliminate answer options. There are 8 men and 10 women. In how many ways can you form a committee of 5 men and 6 women? Committee based problems are extremely important. Out of 8 men, I need to select 5. 8C5. Out of 10 women, I need to select 6. I need to select 6. 8C5 into 10, 6. Listen carefully, how am I doing it? Out of 8, selecting 5 is nothing but rejecting 3. Both are same. Out of 10, selecting 6 is nothing but rejecting 4. These nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Listen carefully, sir. 10, it is nothing but 10 into 9 into 7 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 cancel. These are nothing but 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24 into 3. So what is that I got? Final answer 8 into 7 into 8 into 7 into 10 into 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Either you can use digital sum or you can go by the divisibility rule of 7. 8 7s are 56. 5 plus 6 11. 11 digital sum is 2. 10 3s are 10. It is 1. 7 3s are 21. It is 3. 3 2s are, it is nothing but digital sum 6. It is nothing but digital sum 6. These are not digital sum. These are not digital sum. These digital sum 6 we are getting it. Let us check it out whether it is divisible by 7. 7 means take a group of 3 digits alternatively plus minus. 760 minus 11 which is nothing but 749. 749 is divisible by 7. So 11760. 11760. In fact, it is also divisible by 8. I hope it is clear. Using of digital sum, using of divisibility rules. These are extremely important to save a lot of time. Kindly do not multiply and use your logics. Whenever you get a bigger number, try to use these logic very frequently. NCR equivalent to NCN minus R. Out of 8, selecting 5 is nothing but rejecting 3. Out of 10, selecting 6 is nothing but rejecting 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Use the digital sum, use the divisibility rules. Use the digital sum and use the divisibility rules. Next question. How many 3 letters word with or without meaning can be formed out of the letters of the word? Logarithms. Logarithms. So, how many are there? First, let us see. Logarithms. How many letters are there? L is one letter. O is another letter. G is another letter. A is another letter. R is another letter. I is another letter. T is another letter. H is another letter. M is another letter. S is another letter. There is no repetition. 3 letters word I require. Totally, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 letters are there. So, these, any 10 letter can come here. With a repetition is not allowed. These is nothing but 9. And this is nothing but 8. 10 into 9 into 8. 9 into any number. Answer digital sum should be 9. This is not possible. Next one. 10 into 9 into 8 which is nothing but 720. 720. This is a multiple of this number. So, 5040 is also eliminated. One option we got. So, none of these is also eliminated. Total 10 letters are there. 10 letters are there. 10 letters arranged in 3 letter word. 10 into 9 into 8. Easy question. This should not take so much time. In how many different ways can the letters of the word leading? If you observe, vowels coming together is the most frequent kind of questions that are coming in your examination. So, there are vowels and there are consonants. There are vowels and there are consonants. L is a consonant, E is an vowel, A is an vowel, D is an vowel, I is an vowel. Next one, N is a consonant, G is a consonant. These are all coming together. Put it in a basket. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 factorial. 4 plus 1, 5. These 5 can be arranged in 5 factorial. E, A, I. These 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial. These are nothing but 120 into 6, which is 720. What is the another way to solve? See here. Listen carefully. These 120, it is 3. It is 6. 3 6 are 18. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer is nothing but 720. You can also use a digital sum to cross check which answer option has the same answer. 120 digital sum is 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. Answer digital sum is 9. Only one option is there. In case if you want to save a lot of time. A coin is tossed 3 times. Already we discussed. Once means head or tail. 2 choices are there. Twice, if I toss a coin twice, it has got 2 choices, head or tail. It has got 2 choices, head or tail. 3 times means head or tail, head or tail, head or tail. So each one has got 2 choices, 2 into 2 into 2. So therefore the answer is nothing but 8. Answer for this question is nothing but 8. A coin is tossed 3 times. Next one. In how many different ways can the letters of the word detail, be arranged such that the vowels only occupy only the odd positions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total there are 6 positions are there. 6 positions are there. D is the first position. D is the third position. D is the fifth position. So only vowels occupy it. Vowels means how many vowels are there here? D is not an vowel. E is an vowel. T is not an vowel. A is an vowel. And I is an vowel. These are the 3 vowels. 3 vowels can come in 3 positions. In how many ways? 3 factorial ways. Remaining how many positions are there? 1, 2, 3. How many letters are there? D, T, L. 3 letters can come in 3 even positions in how many ways? 3 factorial, which is nothing but 6 into 6. 6 into 6 is 36. 6 into 6 is 36. 3 factorial means answer should be divisible by 3. 6 6 are 36. Answer digital sum should be 9. These 2 are out. Options, it is nothing but 36. Easy question it is. Next one. A bag contains 2 white balls, 3 black balls and 4 red balls. There is a bag, it seems, which contains 2 white balls, 3 black balls and 4 red balls. In how many ways can 3 balls be drawn from the bag? I need to select 3 balls. What is the condition? If at least 1 black ball is to be included in the draw. Total I require 3 balls, out of which 1 should be a black ball. So totally it is 2 white balls and 3 black balls and 4 red balls. 2 white, 3 black and 4 red. At least 1 black ball is to be included. 1 black ball means out of 3, minimum 1 should be a black ball. Total I need to draw 3 balls. 1 is already drawn. Remaining how many are there? 6. Out of 6 I will select any 2. There is no condition on white or red. Similarly, minimum 1 black ball. So from 3 black balls I will select 2. Remaining 1 can be selected from any of the other remaining 6C1. Similarly, out of 3 I will select 3. Remaining, it is nothing but 6C0. I hope it is clear. 3C1 into 6C2 plus 3C2 into 6C1. Out of 3 I selected 1. Total 3 I have to draw. So remaining 2 will be drawn from another 6. Minimum 1 black ball. So it can be 3C2 or 3C3. Now see, 3C1, it is divisible by 3. 3C2, it is divisible by 3. 3C3, out of n selecting all n, it is 1. 6 is 0, out of 6 not selecting any. So this is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3 and it gives a remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. It gives a remainder 1. So 64 or none of these. Or you can check it out. 3C1 is 3. 6C2 it is nothing but 15. 3C2 is 3. 3C6 it is nothing but 6. This is nothing but 1. 45 plus 18 plus 1. Answer is nothing but 64. It is of the form 3k plus 1. I hope it is clear. Directly do not jump and solve the question. Use your brain and try to eliminate incorrect answer options. 3C1, it is divisible by 3. This is also divisible by 3. Out of n selecting n is one way. Out of n not selecting n is one way. So answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. These eliminated, these eliminated. Option A is giving you the answer. That by using answer options, that logic should strike you immediately. How many different ways can the letters of the word judge be arranged such that the vowels always come together? Vowels always come together. First we will write the vowels here. J is not an vowel. J is not an vowel. U is an vowel. D is a consonant. G is a consonant. E is an vowel. E is an vowel. Now see here. If I put it in a bag, 3 plus 1, 4 factorial. These U and E can be arranged among themselves into. Here also, these are nothing but 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. Answer should be divisible by 3. 64 is not divisible by 3. 32 is not divisible by 3. 48 is divisible by 3. Even if you do it, you will get the answer 48. I hope the idea it is clear. How to eliminate by using answer options. How to eliminate by using answer options. I hope the idea it is clear. Till now, any doubts are there? Kindly reply it in the live chat. I will take up some doubts. Praveen, mobile ivu. Next one. In how many words? Please see here. You can mention any doubts in case if you have it. Any doubts, right? 1 minute. There are few doubts, one by one we will see, right? No, Naveen is saying this question has both arrangement and selection. Which question has got arrangement and selection? Question number 1. Let us see. Where it has got arrangement and selection? Question number 1 is, in how many words 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? Out of which? Out of 7, select any 3. Out of 4, select any 2. These 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial. It's plain simple, right? Next one. Logarithmic problem. Now 1 minute. Rakesh says I is an vowel. Which question beta it is? I is an vowel. 1 minute. Let us see. Where did I keep I as an vowel? I is an vowel. Can write? Right. Now here, 1 minute, sir. I think this is the question which he is referring to. Here, I is an vowel. So I will come here. This is the mistake. I is an vowel. Now 1 minute, sir. I think yes, Rakesh is right. In hurry, I wrote I as a mathematics. See here. In how many different ways can the letters of the word can be arranged? Let us solve this question again. Vowel. And it is consonant. Vowel and consonant. M is a consonant, A is an vowel, T is a consonant, H is a consonant, E is an vowel, M is a consonant, A is a vowel, T is a consonant, I is an vowel. Next one, C is a consonant, S is a consonant. So this answer will be 1, 2, 3. All put it in a bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All 7, and it is nothing but 8 factorial divided by M is written twice, so it is 2 factorial. T is written twice, so it is 2 factorial. 4 letters can be arranged among themselves in 4 factorial. A is written twice. So 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial. These is nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 2 into 2 into 2, which is nothing but 8. 8 cancel. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. Right? Answer should be divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. 4 plus 2 plus 1 not divisible. 9 plus 8 it is not divisible. Answer should be divisible by 3. 7. Take a group of 3 digits, alternate. 100 minus 20, it is 80. 80 is not divisible by 7. These out. Answer is 120960. 120960. Everybody, I hope it is clear, right? Till now, any doubts are there? How to play by using answer options? That also should be clear to you. That also should be clear to you. Next problem. Next. In how many ways can the letters of the word leader, all are distinct or any? In how many ways can the letters of the word be arranged? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 factorial. E is duplicated twice, so it is 2 factorial. These are nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. 6 3s are 18. Answer digital sum should be 9. This is out. Next one. 6 into 5, 30 into 12. 30 into 12 is nothing but 360. So, 2 options have got digital sum, then multiply. Answer for this question is 360. 6 3s are 18. 18 digital sum is 9. 9 into any number, digital sum is 9. Next one. In how many words can these, all the letters of the word can be arranged? Bihar. Bihar, 5 letters are there. 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial. 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial, which is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Answer is divisible by 5. 24 is eliminated. It is nothing but answer is divisible by 3. Answer digital sum should be 3. So 20 into 6, which is nothing but 120. Larger numbers I would use divisibility rule and digital sum. These are smaller number, so it makes no difference whichever logic. How many arrangements can be made out of the letters of the word engineering? Engineering. Exam model questions, sir. Engineering. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Answer is nothing but 11 factorial. E how many times it is present? E is present 3 times. N how many times it is present? It is again present 3 times into 3 factorial. G how many times it is present? 2 times it is present. G and G. I how many times it is present? 2 times. Now here the beauty about this question is 11 factorial. Answer should be divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? 10 cube divided by 11 is minus 1. Take a group of 3 digits. Please make a note of another divisibility rule for 11. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. Take a group of 3 digits. So if I take a group of 3 digits, alternatively add and subtract. 182 is not divisible by 11. 277. 277 minus 200. It is nothing but 77. It is divisible by 11. 924. 924 minus 00. 924 is divisible by 11. But if you observe, these is nothing but 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 and so on up to 1 divided by 3 factorial. These all will get multiplied, sir. 6 and 6. These all. It is also divisible by 7. It is also divisible by 7. These nothing but this is eliminated. These 77. 77 is divisible by 7. 924. 7 ones are 7. 22. 7 threes are 21. 14. 924 is also divisible by 7. And it should also be 11 over 10 over 11 9 8. Answer digital sum is these nothing but 3 factorial 3 factorial 36. 36 into 4 144. 9 8s are 72. It will also be divisible. Go by the generic division. I hope the idea it is clear. For engineering, totally how much we got? We got the answer as 11 factorial by 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. These are nothing but 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 and so on up to 7 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 3 factorial is 6. 3 factorial it is 6. It is 2. 36 2s are 72. These entire thing will get cancelled out. That means answer should be divisible by which number? Answer should be divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. What is the next prime number? Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. So take a group of 3 digits alternatively plus minus. 182 is not divisible by 11. 277 minus 200. It is divisible by 11 and 7. 924. 924. It is also divisible by 11 and 7. If it is 11 and 7, what is the next prime number? It is 5. It should be divisible by 5. What is the next prime number? It should be divisible by 3. So, 2 options are there. You have to go by the multiplication. I hope it is clear why are we doing the divisibility rule of all the prime numbers. Prime numbers cannot be decomposed further. So, answer contains 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. The next prime number it is 7. Next prime number it is 5 and 3. 11, 7, 5 and 3. If you are stuck in 2 options where all are divisible, go by the generic calculation. Go by the generic calculations. Most of the times you will get it very, very easily if you go by the answer options. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9 which are divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 means unit digit should be fixed as 0 or 5. Here 0 is not there. So, unit digit is fixed as 5. Unit digit it is fixed as 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits, any one out of the 5 digits will come here. Out of 6 digits, 2 digits are fixed. Any one out of the 4 digits will come. 5 into 4 into 1. So, answer is nothing but 20. Anyway, here 5 comes. Any number multiplied by 5, unit digit should be 0 or 5. So, 24, 16 and 8, it is clear out because out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 is fixed because the number should be divisible by 5. 5 is fixed. Remaining 5 digits, any one out of the 5 digits will come in the leftmost. So, this will be 5. 5 into any number, unit digit will be 0 or 5. So, only option is 20. Only option is 20. Now, see here. How many words with or without meaning, which is The word is nothing but Delhi. 5 different letters are there. So 5 different letters can arrange among themselves in 5 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now see here. Answer is divisible by 5. So 24 it is out. Next one. 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Digital sum. It is nothing but 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Answer digital sum. Answer digital sum 120. It is 120, smaller number. Otherwise, the digital sum is 3. These are also eliminated. These are all smaller values. In the next sessions, I will take a bigger values. In how many ways? Different ways can the letters of the word rumor, be arranged? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers can arrange among themselves in 6 factorial. R is written twice, so it is 2 factorial. Again, U is written twice, so it is 2 factorial. Now see here, these nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 2, 4. 4, 4 cancel. 6 5s are 30. 30 into 6, answer is 180. Or you can go by the digital sum. 30 digital sum is 3. 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. Answer digital sum should be 9. This option is eliminated. So 180 is the answer. 180 it is the answer. Right? If you are stuck with the same digital sum, go by the generic calculation. Go by the generic calculation. This already we did it. Now this is a very, very good question, sir. Very, very good question. First read the question. There are 6 periods. There are 6 periods. There are 6 periods. Okay. Go statement by statement. In each working day of a school. In a school, right, there are 6 periods. In how many ways can one organize 5 subjects such that each subject is allowed at least 1 period. Each subject is allowed 1 period. How many subjects are there? 5 subjects are there. How many periods are there? 6 periods are there. That means 1 subject will come in more than 2 periods. More than 1 period, sorry. 1 subject will come in 2 periods. Why? Because there are 6 subjects. 6 periods are there and there are 5 subjects. Suppose first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period. 5 subjects are over. In 6th period, the subject should be repeated. So 1 subject, definitely it will come in 2 periods. Out of 6 periods, select any 2 periods. These 2 periods will have the same subject. That subject could be any one out of the 5 subject. Are you all with me? Into 5C1. Remaining 4 subjects can arrange among themselves in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So answer is 6C2 into 5C1 into 4. Again I am selecting. Again I am telling you, sir. 1 subject can come in 2 periods. Out of 6 periods, there are 2 periods where they will have the same subject. Out of 6 periods, there are 2 periods which will have the same subject. We do not know which are the 2 periods. That could be P1, P2. That could be, we will write down here. That could be P1, P2. That could be P1, P3. That could be P1, P4. That could be P1, P5. That could be P1, P6. That could be P2, P3. Instead of writing all these, that could be P2, P4. That could be P2, P5. That could be P2, P6. That could be P3, P4. That could be P3, P5. That could be P3, P6. This is one way of doing, which is extremely cumbersome. P4, P5. It is P4, P6 or P5, P6. Any 2 periods, they can have the same subject. 3 into 5, 15. Out of 6, select any 2 Out of 6 periods, select any 2 periods where the same subject is taught. What is that subject? We don't know. It could be subject 1 or subject 2 or subject 3 or subject 4 or subject 5. So it is 5C1. Out of 5 subjects, 1 subject will come in any of the 2 periods. Remaining 4 subjects can arrange among themselves in 4 factorial. Remaining 4 subjects can arrange among themselves in 4 factorial. Very easy. 6C2. 6C2, it is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Next one. 6C2, it is nothing but 15. 15 into 5 into 4 factorial is 24. So it is nothing but 75 into 24. 75 can be written as 300 by 4 into 24. Answer is 1800. Answer is 1800. I hope this logic is clear to you. I hope this logic is clear. P1, P2. You don't need to write all this. Again, I am telling you for the second time. There are 5 subjects. There are 6 periods. That means definitely in 2 periods, 1 subject will be repeated. Step number 1. Select any 2 periods from 6 periods where the same subject is taught. 6C2. Out of 5 subjects, we don't know which subject is taught twice. Out of 5, select a subject. 5C1. Remaining 4 subjects can come together in 4 factorial. So answer is nothing but 1800. 75, I wrote it as 300 by 4 so that the calculation will be same. So 300 into 6. Or you can go by the digital sum, but 2 options have got the same digital sum, so be careful. If 2 options have got the same digital sum, be careful. How many 6-digit telephone numbers? 6-digit telephone numbers can be formed if each number starts with 35. If each number starts with 35, number with no digit appears more than once. So totally how many digits are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now see here. 2 digits are already fixed. 3 and 5 it is fixed. 0 to 9. Totally 10 digits are there. 2 digits are already fixed. These are nothing but remaining 8 can come. Remaining 7 can come. Remaining 6 can come. Remaining 5 can come. These are nothing but 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. Answer should be divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7. Answer is 1680 or 8 into 7. 6 5s are 30. Answer is nothing but 210 into 8, which is nothing but 1680, which is nothing but 16. You don't need to do all this, just to go by the right logic. Answer should be divisible by 7. Only option which is divisible by 7 is 1680. Next one. An event manager has 10 patterns of chairs and 8 patterns of tables. So he has got 10 patterns, C1, C2 and so on up to C10. 8 patterns of tables, T1, T2 and so on up to T8. Okay. In how many ways can he make a pair of table and a chair? With this, C1, T1 can come, T2 can come, T8 can come. So 8 combinations I will get. C2, T1 can come, C2, T2 can come. Again 8 combinations I will get. Totally 8 combinations will come from 10. So 8 into 10. Answer is nothing but 80. Very, very easy question. Fundamental principle of multiplication. Fundamental principle of multiplication. Next one. There are 25 buses running between places P and Q. Here there are 25 buses. Right? In how many ways can a person go from P to Q and return by a different bus? If he is going from P to Q, he can take any one out of the 25 buses. While coming, the bus which he took, he cannot take it. So remaining 24 buses are there. So 25 into 24. 25, I'll write it as 100 by 4. It becomes easy. Answer is nothing but 600. Answer for this question is nothing but 600. While coming, he returns by a different bus. While going, if he takes the first bus, while coming, he can take the remaining 24 buses. 25 into 24. See, here one important note, sir. Suppose A into 25 is there. Learn to write it as A into 100 by 4. Suppose if A into 75 is there, try to write it down as 300 by 4. Suppose A into 125 is there, try to write it down as A into 1000 by 8. A into 1000 by 8. Suppose if it is A into 625 it is there, try to write down it as A into 5000 by 8. This is extremely important, sir. This will save a lot of your time in your examination. A into 25 is A into 100 by 4, 300 by 4, 1000 by 8 and 5000 by 8. 25 I wrote it as 100 by 4. These are some easy questions. A box contains 4 red, 3 white and 2 blue balls. 3 balls are selected at random, drawn at random. Find the number of ways of selecting the balls of different colors. Different means I will choose one red and I will choose one white and I will choose one blue. So these is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2, which is nothing but 24. Bank level question, very easy question. Answer is nothing but 24. Next one. A question paper has 2 parts. There is a question paper which is part P and there is part Q. Okay. There is a part P and there is part Q. Each containing 10 questions. Each containing 10 questions. So question 1, question 2 and question 10. Here also question 1, question 2 and so on up to question 10. Right? If a student needs to choose 8 from part P, out of 10 he is selecting 8. Okay. And 4 from part B. Out of 10 he is selecting 4. So 10C8 into 10C4. 10C8 out of 10 selecting 8, it is rejecting 2. 10C2 into 10C4. These is nothing but 10 into 9 by 2. These is nothing but 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Listen carefully, sir. Divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Use a digital sum here. These are nothing but 24. 24 3s are 72. 2 1s are 2 5s are 9 into any number. Answer digital sum should be 9. 6 plus 2 8. 1 plus 2 3. Answer is 9450. Answer is 9450. Or you can also go by the digital divisibility rule of 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. So these 1200 not divisible. 6020 divisible, 9450 divisible. But 6020 is not giving you digital sum 9. You can play around with the answer option. In how many different ways can 5 girls and 5 boys form a circle? Now listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Circular arrangement. Circular arrangement. Listen carefully to these explanation. Most of the teachers give an explanation that if n people are seated around a circular table, if n people are seated around a circular table, they will tell that answer is n minus 1 factorial. Why? Because starting and ending are same. This is not the right way to make a student understand the concept. Starting and ending point are same, so it is n minus 1 factorial. This is not the right way. Now listen carefully, sir. Suppose 4 people need to be seated in a circular table. In a circular table. 4 people are need to be seated around a circular table. See here, sir. 4 people are to be seated around a circular table in a 4 chairs. This is the first person, this is the second person, this is the third person, and it is the fourth person. Listen carefully. First, second, third, and fourth. First person comes. In a circular table, there are 4 chairs. In how many ways the person can sit? In how many ways can a person can sit in 4 chairs? He can sit in only one way. It is not 4 ways. How can a person sit in 4 different ways? He can. Your thinking is right. Your way of saying it is wrong. If a first person comes, there are 4 chairs in front of him. He can sit in only one way. That one way is either this chair or this chair or this chair or this chair. Yes or no? First person can sit in any one out of the 4 chairs. First person cannot sit in 4 different ways. How can first person sit in 4 different ways? Right? His leg has to be cut. His hand has to be cut. So it is not possible. So first person can sit in a circular table of 4 chairs. In how many ways? One way. He can sit in any one way. Assume that he sat here. Assume that he sat here. First person does not have any point of reference. Now the second person comes. Now when the second person is going to sit, he has got some point of reference. He can sit in, if one person is sitting here, one person is sitting here, he can sit to the left of this person, one way. He can sit to the right of the person, one way. He can sit diagonally opposite to that person, another way. Total how many ways are there? 3 ways are there. I got 3 ways with respect to having first person as a point of reference. What are the 3 ways? Left of first person, right of first person, opposite to first person. That means second person, I got 3 ways. So second person, assume he decides to sit here. Third person, either you can take the first person or the second person. He can sit either to the left or to the right. So it is 2 into 1. 1 into 3 into 2 into 1. Answer is nothing but 3 factorial. So from now onwards, if anybody asks, in a circular table, if n people are seated around a circular table, it is n minus 1 factorial, not because first person starting and ending it is the same. If there are 4 chairs in front of you, first person comes, he can sit in any of the 4 chairs. Chair 1 or chair 2 or chair 3 or chair 4. He can sit in any one out of the 4 chairs. So it is 1. Second person, when he is sitting, compare it to first person. Either it is to the left of the first person, right of the first person, or opposite to the first person. 3 ways. I hope it is clear. Why it is n minus 1 factorial? First person can sit in only one way. First person can sit in only in one way. Are you all with me? First person can sit in only one way. Everybody kindly reply if this idea it is clear. Only if this idea is clear, then I will discuss rectangular arrangement. Rectangular arrangement in the coming classes, square arrangement, all that can be done. All that can be done. I hope it is clear. Idea it is clear, right? Circular arrangement, right? Now, everybody kindly reply if this idea it is clear. Circular arrangement. If n people are seated around n chairs in a circular arrangement, why it is n minus 1 factorial? Why it is n minus 1 factorial? Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear? First person can have only in one way. Suppose there is a rectangular table. Once you understand these kind of questions are very, very easy to solve. Rectangular. Please tell me, if n people are to be seated in n chairs in rectangular, what is the answer? You cannot say this answer because there you by-hearted with the starting point and the ending point as the same. Suppose it is a rectangular arrangement. This is a rectangular arrangement. In a rectangular arrangement, let us see what is the answer. Listen carefully, sir. There are 4 chairs. Here there are 4 chairs. Here there are 4 chairs. All are facing here and all are facing. Both are facing towards each other. Please write down. Both are facing towards each other. Both are facing towards each other. If both are facing towards each other, both are facing towards each other. 8 people are there. Question is, 8 people are there. They have to be seated on 8 chairs. 8 people have to be seated on 8 chairs. Listen carefully, sir. First person, second person, third person, fourth person, fifth person, sixth person, seventh person and 8th person. Now see, first person, Anil Nair came. He can sit in any one out of the 4, any one out of the 8 chairs. 1. Any one out of the 8 chairs, so he can sit in only in one way. Remaining 7 people can arrange among themselves in 7 factorial. Remaining 7 people can arrange among themselves in 7 factorial. Suppose, listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Suppose if Anil Nair sits here, I will use a different color. If Anil Nair sits here, if Anil Nair is sit here, what is the definition of this position? To the left of Anil Nair, there is an edge. To the left of Anil Nair, there is an edge. To the right of Anil Nair, there are 3 people. To the left of Anil Nair, there is an edge. To the right of Anil Nair, there are 3 people. Yes or no? Right? So, to the left of Anil Nair, 1 edge. To the right side, 3. If Anil Nair sits here, facing this one. If he is sitting here, to the left of Anil Nair, 1 edge is there. To the right of Anil Nair, 3 people are there. That means this position I am sitting like this. Left is edge, right side. In this position, I am turning it. I am turning it. To the left of me, edge is there. To the right, 3. That means this position and this position, both are similar. Are you all with me? This position and this position, both are similar. If a person is sitting and facing this side, to the left of him, 1 edge is there. To the right of him, 3 people are there. Yes or no? If he is sitting here, to the left of him, 3 people are there. To the right of him, edge is there. These both are similar. These both are similar. If he is sitting here, left side 1 person, right side 2 people. Right? If he is sitting here, left side 1 person, right side 2 people. That means this with this, it is similar. This with this, these is similar. This with this, these is similar. This with this, these is similar. That means if Anil Nair sits here, I will get 7 factorial. Here also, if he sits, I will get 7 factorial. 4 positions are similar. So, answer is nothing but 4 into 7 factorial. 4 into 7 factorial. What is 4 into 7 factorial? If Anil Nair sits here, remaining 7 people can arrange among themselves in 7 factorial. This is one way. This is one way. I got 7 factorial. If Anil Nair sits here, left side 1 person, right side 2. That is also a different arrangement. 7 factorial. If Anil Nair sits here, left side 2, right side 1. Again another 7 factorial. Left side 3, right side edge. Another 7 factorial. I don't need to take opposite 4 because opposite 4 arrangements are similar to this 4. Left side, left, diagonally opposite. These both are same. These both are same. Are you all with me? One is left side edge, right side 3. Here also left side edge, right side 3. Left side, if he is turning this side, again left edge, right 3 people. Again it is similar. Answer is 4 into 7 factorial. pure virtual and representation. If you think logically, rectangular arrangement is very, very simple. That means if there is a table, if there are 4 people here and 4 people sitting opposite, me in this corner and another person in that corner, both are similar. One person in this corner and one person in this corner, both are similar. Second from here and second from here. This and this and this both are similar. Everybody kindly reply if these logic is clear to you. Is this logic clear to you? Why it is 4 into 7 factorial?